What's up, everybody? Average Model Guy bringing you part 2 of our Polar Lights 69 Dodge Charger funny car. Kind of a quick recap. This is what we've gotten done. I went ahead and just put the engine in there, just kind of test fit. I don't know if I did that in the last episode for sure or not, but it fits pretty good in there. Got the 2 fuel tanks on there. Yep, sitting pretty good. It's a little bit of a pain to get the frame together, but once it set up, it was good. And then I went ahead and did a little off-camera work with the wheels. I'm going with white with our red lines. And yeah, this is what we're going to tackle now. We're going to get the interior done and put together here. I'll get all the parts snipped, and once I get them snipped, I'll come back and show you what we got. Okay, here's what we got to put together. I get all this sub-assembly pieces together here, and I don't know if I'll get it painted for sure or not, or once everything's put together I might. I don't know yet for sure, but yeah, I'll get this all put together. I went ahead and painted the headers up. I did some all-clad chrome, and then I mixed a little bit of blue in with it to kind of get that color. It's kind of hard to see, but it's got a little bit of a blue tint to it. I kind of like that look. But yeah, here's what we got. I will get this assembled and we'll be right back. Okay, as you can see, I got the roll cage and the interior all painted up. Gonna have to do some touch-up work. Paint's not sticking too well here, but that's okay. Went ahead and did just a coat of flat white, kind of as a primer. I'll go in and do detail painting once it's all done. Yeah, see, I got the, it's kind of hard to tell, but got the brake pad, there's the accelerator, everything's in there. Sorry about that focus in there. Let's see if we can focus in a little bit better. There we go. Yep, I'll probably let this dry and probably put another coat of white on it, but we got that. And then next I'm gonna assemble the interior here so I can get it painted. Here's what we've gotten up here. I got the headers up here. I haven't put any of this together. I'm kind of waiting for all that glue to dry. Plus, I got the header brackets here. Still haven't glued in the engine yet. Want to make sure everything fits okay before I glue it up. But yeah, differentials all put together. Got the shortest drive shaft ever right there. Plus the wheelie bars and everything. So yeah, it's looking good so far. I will be back when we got the interior done. All right, we're back here. I went ahead and went a little crazy and did a little bit more than I thought I was going to do. But anyways, as you can see, I got everything mounted, glued in there. Tires are on. Got my oil filters under here. Yep, now I'm going to go ahead and get the headers on here. Those are the header brackets. We'll get those on. I'll show you the inside of the cockpit here. Kind of hard to see the gauges and everything. Can't get the focus right, but yep, got everything in there. Got the harness in there, shifters in there. I think we're good to go. Yeah, this was pretty interesting so far building it. I think this is probably going to be the final part to this, because there's not much left. Like I said, I just have that, and I've got the body all painted up, but we'll come back to that for the final reveal. You guys can see the body after that. I didn't stick with that silver that I showed you in previous. I might have posted it to Instagram. I'm not really sure, I can't remember, but anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get all the rest of this stuff glued on and come back, show you, and then we'll put the body on. Alrighty, we're gonna call this one done. There you go. Let's scoot this back a little bit. Yep, this is the Woodland Warrior. This is dedicated to the Woodland track team. This was a fun build. I really enjoyed doing the custom decal work with my Cricut. Yep, turned out really good. And we've got our track motto, our unofficial track motto by Coach Mac. Pretty cut and dry. Hey, Coach, how do you want me to run tonight? Don't suck. run fast. Pretty simple. Yep, got her all done. Fun build overall. Made one mistake, and I don't know if I said anything in the previous section or not, but I glued some pieces upside down, so I had to take a lot of the frame rail apart and redo it. I'll get it propped up here. Hold on just a second, and then I can show you guys what I messed up. Alrighty, got her all propped up here. Kind of give you an idea. Like this entire front piece here, I had that upside down. Yep, so I had to tear that back apart. And then, well, it's kind of hard to see, but a lot of the back framework was upside down and had to fix that. But yeah, let's see if I can get you inside the cockpit a little bit. Spin you around here. Yeah, overall fun build. Definitely going to be entering this one in the model competition. Yeah, looking forward to it. Again, thanks again for tuning in and watching the build on this one. This is only going to be a two-parter. I mean, once you got that frame together and everything in there, I mean, it went quick. So, yeah. Again, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this build series, don't forget to slap a like. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next build. Thanks.